Welcome to Wealth Secrets TV. This channel will help you to reach your financial freedom. Watch this video now by subscribing, and don't forget to click on the bell icon, so you don't miss anything. This channel is loaded with powerful leadership, sales, managerial effectiveness, and business strategy that people can immediately apply to get a better result in every area. How to stay productive working from home. Right now, many people worldwide are now spending a lot more time indoors because of the coronavirus outbreak. It isn't easy to differentiate the working days with weekends. We currently use most of our working hours on a bed, couches, or at the dining table, replying to office mails or working right there. The etiquette of work is much missing. The work remains the same, but the vicinity and dedication towards work are not. If you are familiar with the happiness and freedom attached to working from home, you will also know the pleasure of punctuation and the temptation of wanting to jump on your bed or couch. Taking a nap is not a bad idea, but it should be after work or during the break, not at the work hours. As a professional remote worker for years, it's not as easy as you might envisage. If care is not taken, it's tedious to work right from the office as your personal life and work are under the same roof. Working from the comfort of your home is a double-edged sword. Sure, you get to be in your comfort zone, but there can be days you will have to get distracted by family members or housemates. You are working from home, blur the boundaries between work and personal life. The secret to staying productive while working from home is to create an environment that allows you to focus on the tasks at hand and self-discipline. Here are some tips on how to stay productive working from. Strictly following the schedule. One of the secrets of how to stay productive is sticking with my schedule. Whether you work from home or outside the home, maintaining a consistent work schedule is essential. There are many reasons why keeping up to a work schedule is vital to the success of any business. It helps to achieve your goals within a limited time. By working each day towards the goal, the work becomes manageable and easily achievable. Following your schedule is like maintaining your lane on the road carelessly. If you try to move out of it, this might cause a fatal accident. Working under a prearranged amount of time, you can prioritize the work that needs to be done. It also helps to maintain a balance between life and work. As a remote worker, this is crucial, as it is often difficult to tear yourself away from work and focus on family, friends, and personal time. Shut your door. You may think this is not important until you realize that a closed-door policy is one step towards giving you the needed time to work on the most important things. When you close your door, explaining to your family and friends this reason for this, you will stay productive and shun unnecessary distraction. With your door closed, you will be able to manage interruptions. While we all believe we can multitask, that is a misnomer. I once had my little cousin popped into my room while working on an important project, and he started to ask me different hilarious questions. After he left, it took me more than 20 minutes to reconnect with and be productive on the other piece of work again. Interruptions sap our productivity. Avoid working in pajamas. Working in bed might give you a hard time feeling genuinely awake, and you are even likely you'll get sleepy. Avoid the urge to work while you're still in your pajamas or nightgown, as it won't give you any sense of seriousness. Have a shower, have breakfast, get dressed. Then make a list of practical tasks for the day and get started. If it is quite possible, don't use your bedroom as an office, unless that's the only space where you have privacy. And if you are to work from there, create the sense that you are in office. Change your pajamas and do other things that make you feel awake. Put on the lights. As lovely as the natural light through the window is, it can glare on your computer screen. If it poses no threat to the screen of your computer or it's not affecting you in any way, then you are good to go. Pull the blinds to cut down direct sunlight and glare. Then, you can put the light on. Brightening up the workplace helps produce a more pleasant place to work, which can have a high impact on the worker's well-being and, ultimately, productivity. Noise-canceling headphone. Seriously useful. I live where people earn money using generators and grinding machines. My neighbor's noise is enough distraction for me. But ever since I started using this, it has helped me to focus on several tasks much more comfortable. Many remote workers find it hard to concentrate, especially when the sounds distract them at all times, so using the noise-canceling headphones helps someone like that to block out the external world and focus on what they need to do. Point to note, it needs to be used wisely. Know when to stop. Remote workers are more likely to overwork as you will have a hard time remembering to take breaks, stopping work at a reasonable time, and even knowing when is a reasonable time to stop. Work is infinite, there is always something to be solved, and when you have an office routine, it's easier to leave what you do at the workplace. Set up reminders to take breaks and know the exact time to close for the day. I hope you found the steps mentioned on how to be successful in life are useful. Thanks for watching it. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. And let's know what you think in the comment below.